How to cancel an order on the Temu app. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can cancel an order on the Temu app. For that, launch open the Temu app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the U icon at the bottom of your screen. Here you will find the option of your orders. Select that. Here you will be able to view all of your recent purchase. Now choose the order you want to cancel. Make sure that it must still be processing. Shipped orders cannot be cancelled. Now scroll until you see the cancel order option and tap on that. Now select the products you want to cancel, then tap next. Now pick the reason that applies. For example, that you have found something cheaper elsewhere. Now confirm the cancellation. For that, tap on confirm cancellation option. The app will now show cancellation in process. Then the order will be cancelled once it is completed. That's it. Your Temu order is now cancelled. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.